One sunny day, Amy the ant found a big red apple.
A is for apple!
Amy said. She climbed up the apple all the way to the top.
A is for adventure!
Amy cheered. As she sat on the apple, Amy saw an airplane in the sky.
A is for airplane!
She shouted excitedly. Amy smiled and thought,
So many fun things start with letter A! A is for ant. A-N-T, ant. A is for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A is for airplane. Hey, little explorers! Thanks a ton for joining us today to learn all about the letter A. We're so happy you were here with us on this adventure through the alphabet. Stay safe and keep learning.